Welcome to Cork Buzz Chelsea Market. My name is Adrienne Cooper. I am the general manager here. We're situated in this historic, fabulous market that's filled with food, fun, and of course, wine here next to the meatpacking district. The wine that we want to focus on today is sparkling wine because it's the holidays and nothing says celebration like a little bubbles. The first thing that you want to look for on the foil is going to be a tab, something that will help you pull the foil off cleanly and neatly and expose the cage. And the entire time you want to keep your thumb on top of the wire cage, because if you let go and the pressure is way too high, then it could explode, and you don't want that. The other thing that you want to do is put a cloth on top, because that'll help minimize any damage in case you do lose grip of it. You're going to hold on tight, and you want to have two hands because you want one hand on the bottle, one hand on the cork. You're going to twist slowly the bottle, not the cork. And you're going to just feel it out, take your time. Then you're going to pour into your glass. We recommend an AP because it's better for smelling your wine. You want to give it a little tilt so again, you don't lose all those bubbles, but it's not just foam. And there you go. Cheers.